Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I found an old ceiling fan in the storage room. Let's see what I can create from it. First, I checked the fan. Now, I'm going to check the fan by connecting a capacitor to it and giving it a test spin. Now, take the ceiling fan apart. I'm going to use the stator from the fan to build the welding machine. Next, prepare about 1 meter of copper wire to wrap around the ceiling fan stator. The purpose is to generate a strong welding current from the 220-volt alternating current power through magnetic induction in the primary coil. Then, take a wooden piece and firmly secure the ceiling fan stator to it. Now just attach the electrode holder and the ground clamp. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.